Here's how to change your video background like this in CapCut. Let me show you. In order to remove the background of our video, we're using the CapCut app. So we want to add new project and select the video that we want to remove the background. And I'm going to split exactly where I wanted to start from. Delete the first clip and okay. So now you click on the video and go to cutout, remove the background. This is going to take a few seconds. So now to replace the background with our product pictures, let's click on canvas. You can replace it with a color if you want. You can, but we don't want to use a color right now, so we're taking it to background and adding picture. You see where the picture and the plus sign is, so add a picture and that's it. So you can click on the video to adjust the video however you want it. If you want it to be a bit smaller and on this side, you can adjust it up to here anywhere you want. So the video can be here while you are talking about your products. Now let's play. Good. And that is a simple way to remove your video background, and this can be used creatively to talk about your product, you know, the video of you talking about your product, the benefits, and so much more. Try this and let me know if you find it interesting. Don't forget to tag your business friends. Bye.